In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get money back from Apple Pay if scammed. If you were charged through your Apple ID for something that wasn't what you expected, didn't arrive, or feels suspicious, Apple has a built-in way to request a refund. We'll walk through it on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and I'll share tips so your request is clear and complete. This process applies to purchases tied to your Apple ID like apps, subscriptions, movies, music, and in-app purchases. Start by opening Settings. At the very top, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. Next, go to Media and Purchases and choose View Account. From there, scroll down and tap Purchase History. This page lists your recent charges and makes it easy to see exactly what was billed. Find the transaction you want refunded and tap it to open the details. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct charge. Matching the date, the item name, and the amount helps avoid confusion later. On that transaction page, tap Report a Problem. This will open Apple's Report a Problem page in your browser. Sign in with your Apple ID to continue. Make sure you're using the same Apple ID that was charged so Apple can locate the exact purchase. Once you're signed in, choose Request a Refund. You'll be prompted to select a reason and provide a brief description of what went wrong. Keep it factual and concise. Describe what you purchased, what happened, why it's an issue, and any key detail, like misleading claims or missing access, that supports your request. Clarity helps Apple review your case quickly. After you've written your explanation, confirm the purchase you're refunding and tap Submit. You'll see a confirmation that your request has been sent. At this point, you just need to wait for Apple's response. Reviews typically take a few days, though timing can vary based on the product type and your account history. You may receive an email with the decision, and you can also revisit the Report a Problem page to check status updates. If Apple approves the refund, it's usually returned to your original payment method. The exact timing depends on your bank or card issuer. Quick recap so you can remember the path. Settings, your Apple ID, Media and Purchases, View Account, Purchase History, select the charge, report a problem, request a refund, explain the issue, and submit. And that's it. Taking a few minutes to document the problem clearly gives you the best chance of a fast resolution. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.